Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope so you are fine. Open your books of social studies. Today we will do the question and answers of chapter number 2, that is invention. Question number 1, how did the invention of fire help humans? Fire की inventions ने इंसानों की मदद कैसे की? The control of fire by early humans was a turning point in the evolution of the human beings. Before the invention of fire, the world was a dark and dangerous place after the sunset. ओके कहते हैं कि इन्वेंशन ऑफ फायर जो है इंसानी ज़िंदगी का एक टर्निंग पॉइंट था और फायर की इन्वेंशन से पहले जो ज़मीन है वो सनसेट के बाद, सूरज डूबने के बाद एक डार्क प्लेस बन जाती थी. फायर वॉज क्रूशल इन्वेंशन ऑफ द मैन बिकॉज इट गिव्स ह्यूमन कंट्रोल ओवर द एनवायरनमेंट. फायर प्रोवाइड्स अ सोर्स ऑफ वार्मथ, लाइटनिंग एंड प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स. इट वॉज अ मेथड फॉर कुकिंग फूड. देयर वर अदर एडवांटेजेस ऑफ यूजिंग फायर, फॉर इंस्टेंस weapons and sharpened to improve their efficiency. Okay, it helped human in many ways, like they can cook food, they can protect themselves from the animals, they can get light from it, and the other advantages of fire are they can sharpen the weapons and improve their efficiency. Question number 2, write a short note on describing the invention of wheel. What was the early use of wheel? हमने क्या बताना है इसमें, invention of wheel कैसे हुई और इसके early uses क्या थे. Invention of wheel is most incredible invention of all the times. It was quite simple in its construction. It revolutionized transportation in ancient times. Even today the wheel continues to be an essential part of our lives. The wheel originated in 3500 BC in Mesopotamia, which is present day Iran and Iraq. It had a very basic form, simple round structured disc with a hole in the center for the axle. The earliest of the wheel were used to make pottery. The earliest of the wheel were used to make pottery, and earliest known use of wheel was for manufacturing purposes rather than transportation. Wheel was the most important invention of all the times. It was quite simple in its construction, and it was used for the transportation in ancient times. It is today's it's also an essential part of our lives, and it was originated in 3500 BC, which is present day in Mesopotamia, which is present day Iran and Iraq. Okay, and in the early ages it was used for making pottery, not for transportation purpose. Okay, now come to question number 3, how has the writing system evolved with the time? Writing is a standardized way of depicting and expressing a language by symbols, pictures and letters. In current times the material used for writing is usually paper, but in old times it was stone, leather, among other materials. Okay, writing is a way to express our feelings with the help of the symbols, pictures and the letters. In the current times we use papers, but in the old times people use stones and other materials. Question number 4, what were the 3 writing system of the ancient Indus, Egypt and Mesopotamian civilization? The 3 ancient writing styles of ancient civilization were: number 1, ancient Mesopotamian, ancient Egypt, ancient Indus, ancient Mesopotamian. Now we will explain ancient Mesopotamian. The writing style is called cuneiform. It was developed around 3500 BC or 3000 BC, ancient Egypt. The writing style is hieroglyphics. It was introduced in ancient Egypt in 3200 BC and it was used till 400 AD. Ancient Indus, the writing style is called Indus script by archaeologists. It was used from 3200 BC till 1900 BC. Okay, they explain the 3 writing styles of ancient Indus Valley civilization. Number 1, ancient Mesopotamian, ancient Egypt and ancient Indus. Mesopotamian language was used in 3500 to 3000 BC. Ancient Egypt, it was used in 3200 BC and used till 400 AD. And ancient Indus, it was used in from the time of 3200 BC to 1900 BC. Question number 5, where were the ancient civilization of Mesopotamia and Indus located? The ancient civilization of Mesopotamia is located in Iraq and Iran. The ancient Indus Valley civilization was an civilization that existed from 5000 BC to 1000 BC in present day Pakistan and India. एंशेंट इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन जो एंशेंट मेसोपोटामिया जो कहाँ लोकेट करता है, जो कि आजकल ईरान और इराक कहलाता है. द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन वाज एन एंशेंट सिविलाइजेशन. ये पुरानी सिविलाइजेशन थी जो कि किस टाइम से किस टाइम तक एग्जिस्ट करती थी, 5000 BC से 1000 BC, जो कि आजकल पाकिस्तान और इंडिया कहलाते हैं. ठीक है, its main the writing style is called Indus script by archaeologists and it was used in 3200 to 1900 BC. Okay, Where were the ancient civilization of Mesopotamia and Indus located? The ancient civilization of Mesopotamia is located in Iran and Iraq. The Indus Valley civilization was an ancient civilization that existed from 5000 BC till 1000 BC. ये कितने किस टाइम पे लोकेट करती थी, किस टाइम पे हमें मिली? 5000 BC से 1000 BC पे, और ये मेसोपोटामिया में लोकेट करती थी, जो कि आजकल ईरान और इराक कहलाते हैं। प्रेजेंट डे पाकिस्तान एंड इंडिया, जो कि पाकिस्तान और इंडिया प्रेजेंट डे में कहलाता है, ठीक है। इट्स मेन सिटीज़ वर मोहनजोदाड़ो एंड हड़प्पा। इसकी जो मेन सिटीज़ हैं वो क्या है? मोहनजोदाड़ो और हड़प्पा, जो कि कराची या सिंध में लोकेट करते हैं। व्हाट वर ब्रिक्स मेड ऑफ इन एंशिएंट टाइम्स? हाउ वाज इट एज एन इन्वेंशन? व्हाई वर दीज ब्रिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट? ब्रिक्स कब इन्वेंट हुई और ये इसकी क्या इंपॉर्टेंस थी? द एंशिएंट इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन ऑल्सो यूटिलाइज मड ब्रिक्स फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन। मड ब्रिक्स को इस्तेमाल करते थे कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए। मड ब्रिक इज़ मेड ऑफ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ लोम, सॉइल, क्ले, सिल्ट एंड मड, सैंड एंड वाटर। किस किस से बनी होती थी? लोम, सॉइल, स्लेट, मड, सैंड एंड वाटर से बनी होती थी। दिस इज़ यूज विद द बाइंडिंग मटीरियल लाइक राइस हस्क और स्ट्रॉ। ये किससे बनी होती थी? राइस हस्क या स्ट्रॉ से बनी होती थी। फायर ब्रिक्स आर इन्वेंटेड इन 3500 BC इन इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। दीज ब्रिक्स वर इंपॉर्टेंट, सो दे आर यूज टू कंस्ट्रक्ट हाउसेज अलाइंड विद वर्टिकल and horizontal lines. Now your chapter has been completed. If you have any queries and questions, you can ask me. Thank you, beta. Allah Hafiz.